We have more breaking updates coming in. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has offered a partition analogy for what's happening in Bangladesh right now. He says that Hindus of Bangladesh are crying out for help, but the secularists will not speak up for them because of vote bank compulsions. My colleague Rishabh is joining us on the broadcast with the details. But before that, listen in to what Yogi Adityanath said.
कि जो दृश्य 1947 में हुआ था वही दृश्य तो आज बांग्लादेश के अंदर हम सबको देखने को मिल रहा है। 1.5 करोड़ हिंदू किस तरीके से बांग्लादेश के अंदर आज चिल्ला चिल्ला करके अपने आप को, अपनी अस्मिता को बचाने के लिए गुहार लगा रहे हैं। और दुनिया के मुंह सिले हुए कथित सेकुलरिस्ट भारत के अंदर भी इनके मुंह सिले हुए एक भी शब्द इनका नहीं निकल रहा है, क्योंकि उनको भय है कि अगर इन निरीह कमजोर लोगों के पक्ष में इन्होंने आवाज निकाली तो इनका वोट बैंक खिसक जाएगा। वोट बैंक की चिंता है, लेकिन मानवीय संवेदना इनकी मर चुकी है। मानवता के रक्षा के लिए इनके मुंह से एक भी शब्द नहीं निकलने वाला है।
So is vote bank politics the reason for silence from the opposition? That's a charge from the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister. Rishabh, this comes at a time when the world is standing in solidarity with the Bangladeshi Hindus. Protests in UK, in the United States, in Canada. Politicians also speaking up in the Australian Parliament. Vivek Ramaswamy is speaking about it. And yet, it looks like some within India are refusing to acknowledge the plight of Hindus in Bangladesh.
Well, definitely. If we see the politics over the attacks on minorities and especially Hindu population, which is about 1 crore in Bangladesh, has caught the global attention. But here in India, there have been divide on that as well. We haven't heard a unanimous condemnation of what's happening in Bangladesh. Streets of Bangladesh are full of violence, arson, loot. Even as you mentioned, in Dinajpur, which is very close to Indian border. Dinajpur falls near the New Jalpaiguri border, near Panjipada Islampur border of the northern Bengal, the Chicken Neck area. And the violence in that area is also not very good for the internal security of India as well.
Okay.
At this time when the way politics over is raising and the way opposition sides have been witnessed.
But let's take a look at two contrasting statements. Stay with us. We have more breaking updates also coming in. There are two new statements that have come in from the Congress party. Rashid Alvi says similar attacks are happening on Muslims in India. Meanwhile, Ashok Gehlot has voiced concern for the Hindus of Bangladesh. The senior Congress leader and former Rajasthan Chief Minister has asked the Bangladesh army and the government to stop this violence, which he calls condemnable. He also has spoken about the incident at length. Listen in to the two contrasting reactions that have come in.
मैं बीजेपी की सरकार, भारत सरकार और अपने प्रधानमंत्री से कहना चाहता हूं, भारत के अंदर अगर अल्पसंख्यक समाज और मुसलमानों के साथ कुछ होता है, क्या प्रधानमंत्री वहां जाते हैं? बांग्लादेश के अंदर अगर हिंदू कम्युनिटी के साथ कुछ हो रहा है, दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है, लेकिन हिंदुस्तान के अंदर, भारत के अंदर ये तो मुसलमानों के साथ शुरू कर रहे हो। गाजियाबाद के अंदर क्या हुआ है? गरीब लोगों पे डंडा बरसाया कि वो मुसलमान है। दिल्ली के अंदर हुआ है, हरियाणा के अंदर हो रहा है। क्या भारत सरकार को ये नजर नहीं आता है?
So this is a shocking statement that came in from the Congress leader. Big political story, more reactions also expected. For now, we're slipping into a quick break. We'll be right back. To stay with us.